So let's see the new animations. These are for a one-handed sword. We have the normal attack for the left bumper, if you will, where it can be comboed. There is a variation for if you just attack and do not do the combo, but if you also want to do the combo, it will also follow back to idle with that. There is also the R2 attack, or the heavy attack if you will, which has also a variation of how to attack it. As you can see, these animations are really nice. And not only that, I can also work with mirrored and with other things that are not particularly short, but could really be used, those animations. So if you want to know how to create a Souls-like game, or if you would like to know how to create combos for your own ARPGs, just follow my site at sharpaccent.com and I'll see you there.